Well, there are two major category of projects that you should do. First, of course, is data analytics projects, where you either use Power BI or Tableau along with SQL to create impactful dashboards for specific business use cases that you choose. For example, you may do projects like building a sales dashboard using Superstore dataset, FIFA World Cup dashboard, or even HR analytics dashboard, to name a few. So that was the first category of projects on data analytics. The second category is of machine learning projects. There are broadly three types of machine learning problem, which are regression, classification, and clustering. And you should do projects on all of these three categories. First, let's talk about regression. Here you can do projects like air quality index prediction or even classic problems like house price prediction or big mart sales prediction. Under classification, you can do a loan prediction to start with. Additionally, you should have a computer vision project like traffic sign recognition or age detection, and a natural language processing project like Twitter sentiment analysis. Finally, under clustering, you can do a customer segmentation project or even the classic movie recommendation project. By the way, most of these projects you can practice on our Analytics Vidhya's Data Hack platform. For this, all you have to do is to go to this link, click on practice, choose from these bunch of projects which are listed. Let's say you choose loan prediction, then click on participate, follow these steps, and you get the problem statement and dataset. Remember, the best way of checking what you have learned is by implementing. And projects by far are the best way to do so. And by the way, while you are working on these projects, don't forget to document them on GitHub. This not only helps in building your portfolio of projects, this also helps in giving you a first-hand experience of technical documentation. As you can see, the journey of becoming a data scientist is fairly long. Wouldn't it be easier if there is someone guiding you at every step of the way? For that, you can enroll in our Black Belt Plus program, where you get a personalized learning roadmap curated just for you, along with 50 plus hands on industry projects, one on one mentorship, dedicated interview preparation, and placement support. It's a self paced course where you can be a data scientist coming from any background, even without leaving your job.